All right, guys, question number 6. And this will be the first of 3 videos that involves the addition rule. Now, it says solve the problem that involves probabilities with events that are not mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive means 2 events have nothing in common with each other. So if they are not mutually exclusive, that means that these events have at least one element in common. Let's read the question, and then we're going to go about it in several different approaches. It says, the physics department of a college has 5 male professors, 10 female professors, 14 male teaching assistants, and 9 female teaching assistants. If a person is selected at random from the group, find the probability that a selected person is a teaching assistant or a female. When you have a probability question and it says find the probability of one or the other, or perhaps both, we prefer using the addition rule. Emphasis on the word prefer, because you do not have to use the addition rule in some of these questions, as long as you understand the concepts and make sure to not double count a person or a set of people that are part of both categories, then you should be fine. But the addition rule is preferred because there is a formula, which is the probability of A or B equals to the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A and B. Addition rule 2, and that is used for non-mutually exclusive events, as we're going to see in questions 7, 8, and 9. Let's organize this information into a table. So I have 2 genders. I have males and I have females. And in the physics department, we have professors and teaching assistants. I'm going to call it TAs. Okay. And this is going to be my column total. This is going to be my row total. The reason why I'm organizing my information into a table because it helps me to visibly see what's going on. You don't have to, but if you're a visual learner, it may help. So we have 5 male professors. We have 10 female professors, which means we have a total of 15 professors. We have 14 male TAs and we have 9 female TAs, which means we have a total of 23 teaching assistants. 15 plus 23 is 38. So that means there are 38 faculty/staff members of the physics department. We have 19 males and we have 19 females. 19 plus 19 is 38. Now, we want to find the probability of a teaching assistant or a female. I'm going to call my teaching assistant A, my female event B. So the probability of a teaching assistant I'll call that TA, or a female equals to the probability of a TA plus the probability of a female minus the probability of a teaching assistant and a female. And we can call this both a teaching assistant and a female. Remember, there are 38 people. Out of my 38 people, I have 14 and 9, a total of 23 teaching assistants. So that's going to be 23 out of 38 plus. When it comes to females, 10 female professors, 9 female teaching assistants. That is 19 females in total. So that's going to be 19 over 38. Minus what some people fail to do, the intersection, the probability of teaching assistant and female. How many female teaching assistants? There are a total of 9 female teaching assistants. So 9 out of 38. And then we do the mathematics. 23 plus 19 is going to be 42. 42 minus 9 is 33. That is 33 out of 38. Let's divide that and get, we'll say 2 numbers after the decimal. Now, I know the answer on the review sheet is 33 out of 38, but just to make sure that we know how to do it in case on the exam is a decimal, we can divide 33 with 38, and it's going to be approximately 0.868. That 4 leaves the 8 the way it is. Now, let's do it when we don't have to do the addition rule or create a table. Matter of fact, you know what? I'm going to leave the highlights there. We're going to go into the question. It says, find the probability, right, of a teaching assistant or a female. Or means to add. So that means you're adding every category that contains a teaching assistant or a female. This right here contains a female. Right here contains teaching assistant. This is both. So you can add 10 plus 14 is 24. 24 plus 9 is 33. So right there, when I add those 3 together, that is 33 people out of a grand total of 38. 33 out of 38 is the answer to this question. All right, guys, that is it for number 6. Hope that made sense. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon. Take care.